The research that we do focuses on looking at fire history across the western United States, primarily in ponderosa pine forests. We're interested in the effect that European settlement has had on the West, and also the effect of climate change.
I'm a third-year PhD student working on a study which involves getting a population estimate of reintroduced Mexican gray wolves onto Apache nations in southeast central Arizona.
I guess the research at Biosphere 2 is about understanding how trees die from drought. All of these well-understood physiological processes just sort of don't seem to work like we expect when they start dying.
The project that I will be working on for my dissertation is to look at participatory assessment of actions taken to combat desertification in South Africa.
There's a big push to study this sort of thing both at the graduate level and the undergraduate level. And it's probably one of the more exciting research opportunities that you could get in the school, to go out and actually throw around an axe and collect some wood samples and then bring them back and look at them underneath the microscope.
One exciting thing about working with this project is working with the Apache tribes. Part of my study is to interview tribal members to try to get at the importance of the wolf in Apache culture and just its role.
I'll be looking at something called LIDAR. It's using lasers to model forest structure and fire behavior.
We placed trees in 2 different areas inside Biosphere 2, and we turned up the temperature on one area, and then we took half of the trees in each area and stopped giving them any water until they died.
The Spain trip was the kickoff meeting of an international collaboration project called Practice. Just imagine being in a room full of very esteemed and celebrated scientists from across the world.
It was really neat being in the first wave of graduate students to get projects started in there. We were sort of writing the rules on what grad students could do.
The results that we see in our work can be applied, almost immediately, either within the Forest Service, the National Park Service, or even within communities.
And I thought it was really amazing that even though all of them come from natural science background, they stress how important it is to look at the social dimension of the problem, which to me is just like, yes, they have the same viewpoint.
We published the results in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, which is really high-level journal, a great place for a PhD student to publish something. It was a great experience.
A lot of tribal members have come up to me saying that this is a really good thing because, as one Apache person told me, we've forgotten about the wolf and you're going to help us remember the wolf. And I thought that was excellent. It's exactly what I was hoping to accomplish.